Faded, graying plastic trim is the fastest way to make a great vehicle look worn out and neglected. Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat is a professional-grade restoration kit that chemically bonds to your vehicle's plastic, restoring it to a deep, factory black finish. Unlike cheap silicone dressings that wash off after a single rainstorm, Cerakote is guaranteed to last through over 200 washes. It's a high-impact, low-cost investment that instantly elevates your truck or car's appearance and protects your long-term resale value.
When your check engine light comes on, you shouldn't have to pay a mechanic $150 just to read a digital code. The Ancel AD310 OBD2 scanner gives you direct access to your vehicle's onboard computer, instantly identifying faults and clearing error codes from your home garage. It features a rugged design and a backlit screen that requires no batteries or app downloads. It's an essential tool that puts the data back in your hands, saving you thousands by letting you diagnose issues like a pro.
Your vehicle's interior environment says a lot about you before you even say a word. The Little Trees Black Ice 6-pack delivers a clean, masculine scent profile that channels high-end cologne rather than cheap, sugary chemical alternatives. Made with specialized, long-lasting fragrance compounds, it ensures your cabin always smells sharp, fresh, and intentional. It's a low-cost, high-yield investment in your vehicle's daily presentation, paying for itself by making a powerful first impression on everyone who steps inside your truck or car.
Oxidized hazy headlights don't just kill your nighttime visibility, they aggressively degrade the appearance and resale value of your vehicle. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is a heavy-duty, drill-activated system that completely eliminates yellowing by sanding away damaged plastic, down to the crystal-clear layer. Backed by 3M's industrial-grade abrasives and a long-lasting clear coat, it restores factory-level clarity. It's a high-impact DIY project that saves you hundreds of dollars on replacement parts and keeps your vehicle looking sharp, capable, and highly valued. Protecting your vehicle's factory carpet is one of the smartest ways to preserve its long-term resale value. Motor Trend Flex Tough floor mats feature a heavy-duty, rubberized polymer design built to trap mud, water, and debris in any climate. With custom trim lines, you can easily modify these mats with standard shears for a seamless, factory-level fit in your truck, SUV, or car. It's a low-cost investment that eliminates expensive detailing bills, keeping your interior pristine no matter how hard you work or play.
The center console is the most heavily used part of your vehicle's interior, making it vulnerable to stains and grime. Singaro silicone cup holder coasters offer a rugged, non-slip barrier that catches condensation, coffee drips, and debris before they ruin your factory plastic. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone, these universal coasters are easy to clean with a quick rinse under the tap. It's a low-cost upgrade that prevents sticky buildup and preserves your cabin's clean, professional appearance.
Automated car washes are notorious for leaving permanent swirl marks and scratches on your vehicle's clear coat. The SwiftJet car wash foam gun delivers a professional-grade, high-pressure suds blanket using just a standard garden hose. By pre-soaking your vehicle in thick foam, you loosen and lubricate dirt particles before you touch the paint, eliminating the risk of micro-scratches. It's a low-cost garage upgrade that saves you money on commercial washes while keeping your paint in pristine showroom condition.
Dropping your phone, wallet, or keys into the gap between your seat and center console is a dangerous distraction that disrupts your drive. The Give5 Seat Gap Organizer completely seals that black hole, transforming dead space into a functional storage tray. Crafted from premium, durable materials that blend seamlessly into your interior, it holds your essentials securely without interfering with your seatbelts. It's a low-cost upgrade that optimizes your cabin logistics, keeping your gear within reach and protecting your focus on the road ahead.
Standard rearview mirrors leave dangerous blind spots that compromise your highway safety. The JoyTutus Panoramic mirror features a wide-angle, convex design that expands your field of view to eliminate blind spots across 4 lanes of traffic. Built with advanced anti-glare glass, it snaps effortlessly over your factory mirror in seconds with no tools required. It's a low-cost, high-impact safety upgrade that protects your clean driving record and ensures total situational awareness every time you hit the road.
A vehicle that sits idle is a direct drain on your wallet. The NOCO Genius One is an advanced smart charger and battery maintainer that keeps your truck, motorcycle, or boat battery perfectly primed and ready to roll. It automatically detects battery sulfation and acid stratification, repairing deep damage to restore lost performance. It's a precision shop tool that pays for itself the very first time. It saves you from buying a $200 replacement battery, guaranteeing total electrical reliability all year round.
True vehicle preparedness means being ready for injuries long before professional medical help arrives. This ultra-compact mini first aid kit packs high-quality medical essentials into a rugged, water-resistant casing that fits perfectly in your glove box or center console. From heavy-duty adhesive bandages to antiseptic wipes and emergency tools, every item is systematically organized for high-stress situations. It's a low-cost, high-value investment in your family's safety, paying for itself by giving you the instant capability to handle unexpected trauma anywhere.
Taking your dog on an outdoor run shouldn't mean destroying your vehicle's interior. The Your Power dog seat cover is a heavy-duty, waterproof hammock designed to shield your rear seats from mud, sharp claws, and endless pet hair. Engineered with industrial-strength fabric, non-slip backing, and secure seat anchors, it stays perfectly in place during sharp turns. It's a high-impact cabin upgrade that completely eliminates expensive interior detailing fees, ensuring your truck or SUV stays showroom fresh no matter how messy the adventure gets.
When managing family transport across multiple vehicles, shortcuts on safety aren't an option. The NOCO Backseat Baby Mirror delivers a premium, extra-large convex field of view that keeps your rear-facing infant entirely visible with a swift glance. Engineered with a highly stable 360-degree rotation ball joint and a shatterproof design, it locks securely onto rear headrests to eliminate vibration on rough terrain. It's a vital, low-cost safety asset that keeps your eyes forward, your cabin organized, and your family completely secure.
Relying entirely on electronic blind spot sensors is a gamble you don't need to take on the highway. These LiveTee frameless blind spot mirrors feature real, high-definition convex glass that expands your peripheral vision across multiple lanes. Built with a full 360-degree adjustable swivel, they let you track hidden vehicles, trailers, or low-lying obstacles with a split-second glance. It's an essential, low-cost upgrade for any truck or SUV that prevents side impact collisions, protecting your vehicle's bodywork and keeping your insurance premiums locked down.